Why do 90% of ancient royals swear by figs for a better love life? This tiny fruit has been boosting bedroom performance for thousands of years. The Egyptians, Persians, and even Mughal royals relied on figs to keep up with their, let's say, demanding love lives. Packed with nutrients, figs are more than just a sweet snack. They've been hailed as a natural aphrodisiac, enhancing sexual health and stamina. While we can't pinpoint the exact science behind it, the results speak for themselves. To make the most of figs, try this ancient recipe. Eat them raw or boil them in milk before bed. Do this for a month, and you might just notice better erections and longer-lasting stamina. So why not give it a try? The secret to a more satisfying love life might just be sitting in your fruit bowl. Subscribe for more fun and informative tips.